Hello everyone! I'm Ayana. Today I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Click this button to create a new composition. Or press Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Click OK. Click this button to select the Type tool. Or press Ctrl+T. Change font settings. Change the fill color. Click OK. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point to the middle of the object. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Press V to switch to the selection tool. Press Ctrl+R to display the rulers. Press Ctrl+R to hide rulers. Click View on the menu bar. Select Log Guides. Press F2 to deselect all. Click this button to select the Pen tool, or press G. Change the fill. Change the width. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Add properties from this button. Select a property. Double-click on the property to expand it. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Press V to switch to the selection tool. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Click this button to display the graph editor. Select Edit Speed Graph. Adjust the graph. Click this button to select the Pen tool, or press G. stroke color. Click OK. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Double-click on the property to expand it. Press numpad to select a layer. Click Layer on the menu bar. Select Create. And select Create Shapes from Text. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Delete. Press numpad to select a layer. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Change the fill. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Move the indicator. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Press U to see all the keyframes that have been added to the layer. Remove all keyframes. Press Ctrl plus the right bracket key to move the selected layer up. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Move the indicator. Press Alt plus the left bracket key to trim the endpoint of the selected layer at the current time. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Press F2 to deselect all. Press Ctrl+Y to create a new solid layer. Rename the solid layer. Change the color. Click OK. Click OK. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Double-click to apply the effect. Click this list box to change. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Press Ctrl plus the left bracket key to move the selected layer down. Press Shift to select multiple layers. Press Shift plus Ctrl+C to quickly pre-compose a layer or a set of layers. Change the composition name. Click OK. Change the track matte. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Change the stroke color. Click OK. Move the indicator. Press the left bracket key to move the endpoint of the selected layer to the current time. Switch composition. Move the indicator. Press the left bracket key to move the endpoint of the selected layer to the current time. Hold down the Alt key and click the stopwatch icon to add an expression. Press Ctrl+0 to show the project panel. Press Ctrl+I to import the file. Select this footage. Drag and drop to the timeline panel. Press Ctrl+Alt+F to adjust the scale to fit the composition. Press Shift to select multiple layers. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Double-click to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Double-click to apply the effect. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Press spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.